The check engine light, or CEL, illuminates when your Toyota Corolla's computer detects a problem, often related to emissions, engine, or transmission. Don't just reset it. First, diagnose the issue. Use an OBD2 scanner available online or at auto parts stores to read the diagnostic trouble code, or DTC. Common codes for Corollas include P0171, which indicates a lean fuel mixture, and P420, which points to catalyst inefficiency. Knowing the code helps determine if a reset is appropriate or if a repair is needed. Remember, resetting without fixing the underlying problem is only a temporary fix and could lead to bigger issues. For older Toyota Corolla models before 2010, start by turning off the engine completely. Then disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 15 to 30 minutes before reconnecting it. This method clears the check engine light, but will also reset your radio presets. For a more modern approach, use an OBD2 scanner. Locate the OBD2 port under the driver's dashboard, plug in the scanner, then select Clear Codes from the menu and follow the on-screen prompts to reset the check engine light. For newer Corolla models from 2018 onwards, you can reset the check engine light using the Toyota Connected Services app on your smartphone. Access the Diagnostics section and follow the reset instructions provided by the app. Once you've reset the check engine light, perform a drive cycle by taking a short drive that includes varying speeds and conditions. This allows the car's computer to reevaluate all systems and confirm the reset was successful. If the check engine light returns after resetting, do not attempt further resets. Instead, seek professional diagnosis and repair from a certified mechanic to address the underlying issue.